Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking around this Audi approved used vehicle. So this is the vehicle in question. This is our approved used Audi A4 Allroad Quattro Sport 50 TDI. And this particular example is finished in the optional quantum grey paintwork, in which has really made this A4 stand out. Now, as we look at the recent service history, this vehicle did have an oil change service on the 24th of the 11th, 2022, as well as an interval inspection on the 14th of the 11th, 23, and will undergo a used car inspection upon purchase. Moving on now to the exterior key features of the vehicle, where we do find these gorgeous LED matrix headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Looking down at the wheels now, we do find these fantastic 18-inch contrast grey Audi Sport wheels, and they do really stand out against that lovely quantum grey paintwork. Moving to the roof now, where we do find the gorgeous sliding panoramic glass sunroof, in which is letting that natural light into the interior cabin. And now moving into the rear boot space of the A4 Allroad, where we do find up to 495 litres of storage space. This is a large amount for a practical vehicle of this size. This can easily take 2 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, where we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. There is also a leather centre armrest, in which is fold down to present 2 useful cup holders, as well as isofix points in which are neatly located across the back row, but there's also more than enough leg space to carry 3 occupants comfortably on those longer journeys. Moving into the front now, where we do find an equally impressive front cabin with a large amount of leather, as well as that satin aluminium interior trim. With this being the all-road specification, it does mean the vehicle is quattro. It does come with a more rugged interior. However, the design is still sporty, such as these 2 front seats in which you have the sports padding either side, as well as these sporty tram lines running downwards. Looking towards the driver's view of the vehicle now, we do find this fantastic setup with a round leather steering wheel taking pride of place. You do get the shifter paddles behind that wheel, as well as the multiple buttons. Above now, we do find a virtual cockpit, in which is featured those 2 digital rev counters either side. Besides this, you can also change the view of the virtual display by pressing the view button on the left hand side. Below the steering wheel now, we do find the sort for the speed limiter assist, as well as the automatic cruise control, which is perfect for those longer journeys. Now looking towards the centre of the dashboard, where we do find this very impressive touchscreen display, in which is also featured the satellite navigation, which is perfect for getting to A to B with route guidance. Moving just below this now, we do find an equally impressive digital dual zone climate control. It is very easily adjustable, and the heated seat functionalities are located either side of this for both front occupants. Moving to that screen above once again now, where we do also find a reversing camera, as well as the 360 surround sensors, making this A4 much easier to park in those tighter spaces. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.